The goal is to make 100K this year by day trading futures. I'll share my successes, but there are some roadblocks that I keep running into. Alright, looking at the markets today, we're going to look at the 4-hour chart real quick. Look at all of these wicks. All of these wicks tell me that price wants to head up. So we are still in a buy program. Let's look at the daily real quick. Yeah, the daily is definitely still bullish. I'm going to be headed up here. There's actually equal highs up here, so I'm going to mark that out. There's buy side up there. And then let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, there was a bearish fair value gap here that definitely inversed, so I'm taking this up. I'm actually going to enter a position shortly. Alright, let's look at the charts right now. I entered a 2 contract position at the moment. The daily still looks bullish. This daily bearish fair value gap has inversed, so I am bullish. I'm going to take price up to here. That's going to be my target. Let's remove that fib. This is going to be buy side. And then we're going to drop down to the 15-minute chart. There was equal highs there. There's sell side here. 5-minute chart came down, balanced here. I mean, price could still want to come back down to rebalance. There's volume imbalance here. I think I pulled the trigger and entered a little too early, but it's okay. I'll get stopped out. But today, we are bullish. I am gonna look at these equal highs. Look at these relative equal highs that price has just made. I think price is gonna shoot up and then target these relative equal highs that it just made. It may come back down to rebalance a little bit. Alright, I'm about to hop in a meeting soon, but this is my current trade. As you can see, I'm targeting this high because it made relative equal highs here, so I think price is going to pop up. Honestly, I think it's going to come up to this level here, this consequent encroachment level, and then I don't know. I do want to place one contract up there, but, you know, I don't know. If I can make another 1,000, I'll be funded. So on Monday, I'll be trading with a funded 150K account. Let's see what price does here. Bam. Took one. I just closed that one out. All right, so right now we're sitting at 1.5K. We need $700 more to get funded. This inverse fair value gap worked perfectly. So if you don't know Doji trade, his strategy is all based off inverse fair value gaps, and this is a perfect example of what he does, and he targets, you know, relative equal highs or equal highs. So this would have been a really good trade if y'all trade Doji's inverse strategy, and I'm okay with taking this risk right here. I took 161 closed trades in 3 trading days. My win rate was 53%. Today alone, I did 26 trades. I'm not too upset, but I did want to take less trades today. If you look at my losses, I did not mitigate risk too well. I had a $500 loss here, $378 loss there, $378 loss there. Like, what am I doing? I have to really trim down with how I am trading, so I'm going to be implementing some rules. Rule number 1. No more than 2 losing trades risking $100 each trade. This means that I'm going to have to start trading micros. If I see a really good setup, maybe a mini with a tight stop, but trading micros would make more sense. And then rule number 2, stop trading with $500 in gains. Yesterday I mentioned the compounding method of making $200 a day. That's still intact. I want to start that on Monday. I want to give myself some room in between $200 to $500 in gains, because Top Step only allows you to withdraw money if you have 5 trading days with $200 or more in profit. So $200 would be a bare minimum target, and $500 would be the maximum for now, for month 1. And then I'm going to see how I do. I am done trading for the day. So this is the end of the trading day recap for me. Price hit relative equal highs. Price hit the consequent encroachment target level. It failed to reach buy side liquidity that I marked out earlier today. Now, when I say that I'm targeting buy side liquidity or a certain level, I'm using that target as a way to take trades up into that target and not necessarily hit it. If it does hit it, then great, but I don't have to be right 100% of the time. When you are trading, you need to be able to take profits along the way so that you can start stacking your gains and not risking everything that you've already won. Now, looking at this consolidation, price manipulated down and energetically moved back up. I believe this is a perfect ICT 2022 model setup. There is a fair value gap right here. I'm still bullish. This move down is just a correction. I'm still very bullish on the markets. Going to the daily chart, there are a lot of dojis here. We are still bullish. Going into next week, this fair value gap is still being respected. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But Monday is a holiday. It's a shortened trading day. Markets will close at 12 p.m. and reopen at 6 p.m. I will not be trading on Monday. So I'll see you on Tuesday.